Some streets are the perfect representation of the towns that they sit in, and Mill Street is no different. This iconic street is the perfect ambassador for the town of Warwick.
It has a cobbled road, a mixture of beautiful traditional properties, all of which are listed buildings. Most importantly, it has this simply breathtaking backdrop of Warwick Castle.
Standing proud over the road on the east side of the castle is Caesar's Tower, which was built between 1330 and 1360. It practically acts as a watchtower over Mill Street.
From Mill Street you have a perfect access to Warwick Boat and Tennis Club. St Nicholas Park is a short walk.
The town centre, with its wide variety of boutique shops and restaurants, is a short walk away.
Warwick School, which is believed to be the oldest public boys' school in the world, is a short walk away in the opposite direction.
And today we're at 19 Mill Street.
An amazing 17th century home that has been modified by the current owners. Let's have a look inside to see what this incredible property has to offer.
Without question, the best feature here is the open plan breakfast kitchen with a sunroom that has views out onto this private, stunning, south-facing garden. Thanks for watching this tour. If you'd like more information or if you'd like to book a viewing, you can reach us on the contact information that will follow. Have a great day.